Have you ever wondered how cougars, also known as mountain lions, can leap up to 40 feet in a single bound? Welcome to the incredible world of the mysterious cougar. This magnificent creature goes by many names: cougar, mountain lion, puma, to name a few. Each name is a testament to its wide-ranging habitat, from the snowy mountains of North America to the dense forests of South America. Let's discuss its physical characteristics for a moment. A fully grown cougar can weigh between 80 to 200 pounds, with a body length of up to 9 feet, giving it a formidable presence in the animal kingdom. Its muscular build and powerful legs allow it to perform awe-inspiring leaps and jumps. Imagine a creature capable of leaping the length of a school bus in a single bound. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's much more to discover about these fascinating creatures. So, stay tuned to learn more about them. Did you know that cougars are solitary hunters and have the largest range of any wild terrestrial mammal in the Western Hemisphere? This majestic creature, also known as the mountain lion or puma, is a master of stealth and strength, relying on its keen senses and incredible agility to survive in the wild. Unlike pack animals such as wolves, cougars prefer to hunt alone. They are the epitome of self-reliance, relying on their individual strength and cunning to bring down prey. This solitary nature is a testament to their incredible adaptability and resilience, as they are able to survive and thrive in a wide range of habitats, from the snowy mountains of Canada to the sweltering jungles of South America. Their preferred prey? Deer. A cougar's diet primarily consists of large ungulates or hoofed mammals, with deer being their favorite. However, they are versatile hunters and can also consume smaller fare such as insects, rodents, and birds when larger prey is scarce. Yet, what truly sets the cougar apart is its wide range. With a territory that spans 28 countries and encompasses a staggering range of environments, the cougar is the most widely distributed large wild terrestrial mammal in the Western Hemisphere. This expansive range is a testament to the cougar's adaptability and survival skills. Their hunting prowess is backed by impressive data. A study in British Columbia found that a single cougar can kill up to 50 deer in a single year. This staggering figure offers a glimpse into the cougar's relentless drive and efficiency as a predator. The cougar's hunting strategy is also worth noting. They are ambush predators, preferring to stalk their prey and launch a surprise attack rather than chase them down in a long pursuit. This strategy requires not only strength and speed, but also patience and precision, further highlighting the cougar's extraordinary hunting prowess. So, you see, the cougar is a truly impressive predator. Their solitary nature, wide range, and adaptability make them one of the most successful hunters in the animal kingdom. And their prowess doesn't stop at hunting, but that's a tale for another scene. Ever wondered how fast a cougar can run when it's chasing its prey? Well, let's unravel the mystery. Cougars, also known as mountain lions or pumas, are one of nature's most agile creatures, capable of reaching speeds up to 50 miles per hour in short bursts, covering distances up to 1,500 feet. That's like sprinting across 5 football fields without breaking a sweat. These big cats are not just about raw speed. They are also masters of stealth, moving silently through their terrain with an uncanny ability to blend into the environment. This stealthiness is due to their light tan color, which helps them blend with the rocky and grassy landscapes of their native habitats. Let's put their speed into perspective. The average human can run about 15 miles per hour at full sprint. That means a cougar could easily outrun even the fastest human athlete. And compared to a house cat, which can reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, the cougar is still significantly faster. But it's not just about running. Cougars are also excellent jumpers. They can leap up to 15 feet high and 40 feet forward in a single bound. That's equivalent to jumping over a one-story building or across a small creek. Their agility is further enhanced by their flexible spine, similar to the cheetah, allowing for quick turns and maneuvers. This, coupled with their powerful hind legs, makes them perfect ambush predators. When it comes to a chase, cougars don't just rely on their speed and agility. They also use their keen senses to track their prey. Their eyesight is particularly sharp, especially at night when most of their hunting takes place. So you see, It's a mix of speed, agility, and stealth that makes the cougar a formidable hunter. Their ability to move quickly and quietly, coupled with their keen senses, allows them to sneak up on their prey and strike before the prey even realizes what's happening. With such speed and stealth, it's no wonder cougars are such successful hunters. How long do you think a cougar can live in the wild? And how many cubs can a female cougar have at once? Let's delve into the fascinating aspects of the cougar's lifespan and reproduction. In the wild, cougars typically live to be about 8 to 13 years old. This is due to the harsh realities of life in the wild, where disease, competition, and human activity are constant threats. However, in captivity, where these factors are significantly reduced, cougars have been known to live up to 20 years or more. That's almost double the lifespan of their wild counterparts. Now, let's turn our attention to the intriguing matter of cougar reproduction. Female cougars usually reach sexual maturity around 2.5 years old. Once mature, they can give birth to a litter of cubs every 2 to 3 years. The size of these litters can vary, but generally, a cougar will have between 1 to 6 cubs, with 2 or 3 being the most common. Each of these cubs is a marvel, weighing in at about 1 pound at birth and completely reliant on their mother for the first couple of months of their life. It's important to note that cougars have a surprisingly high infant mortality rate. Only about 1 in 6 cubs will survive to adulthood, a testament to the harsh realities of life in the wild. However, those that do survive grow quickly. By 6 months, they're already learning to hunt, and by 2 years old, they're ready to venture out on their own. Cougars are solitary animals, with adults typically living and hunting alone. This solitary lifestyle also extends to their reproductive habits. After mating, male cougars play no part in raising the cubs. Instead, the female cougar takes on the full responsibility of raising her young until they're ready to strike out on their own. Cougars may lead solitary lives, but they certainly make the most of their time on Earth. Do you know the current conservation status of the cougar? The cougar, also known as the mountain lion or puma, is currently listed as of least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, or IUCN. This means that as of now, the cougar is not considered to be threatened with extinction. But this doesn't mean the cougar is without its problems. The largest threat to the cougar is habitat loss and fragmentation. As human populations grow and expand, we're encroaching more and more on the cougar's natural habitats. This leads to smaller, isolated populations of cougars that have a harder time finding mates and enough food to survive. This fragmentation also increases the chances of deadly encounters with humans and vehicles. Another major threat to the cougar is hunting and persecution. In many areas, cougars are legally hunted for sport or to protect livestock. In the United States alone, more than 3,000 cougars are killed each year by hunters. This number does not include cougars killed in defense of life or property, or those killed illegally. But it's not all doom and gloom for the cougar. There are efforts underway to protect this magnificent creature. Many conservation organizations are working to preserve and restore cougar habitats and to educate the public about the important role cougars play in our ecosystems. In some areas, there's been success in using non-lethal methods to deter cougars from preying on livestock, such as guard dogs, electric fencing, and motion-activated lights and sound devices. And in places where hunting is legal, there are efforts to ensure that it's regulated and sustainable, to prevent the population from declining too much. These efforts are crucial because cougars play a vital role in maintaining the health and balance of our ecosystems. They help control populations of deer and other animals, which in turn helps to prevent overgrazing and maintain biodiversity. As we learn more about cougars and their importance in our ecosystems, it's clear that we must do all we can to protect them.